Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs on research methodology. The first question is, formulation of hypothesis may not be required in option A, survey method, option B, historical studies, option C, experimental studies, option D, normative studies. The correct answer is option B, historical studies. The next question is, fieldwork based research is classified as option A, empirical, option B, historical, option C, experimental, option D, biographical. The correct answer is option A, empirical. The next question is, the research that applies the laws at the time of field study to draw more and more clear ideas about the problem is option A, applied research, option B, action research, option C, experimental research, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, applied research. The next question is, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, reliability ensures the validity. Option B, validity ensures reliability. Option C, reliability and validity are independent of each other. Option D, reliability does not depend on objectivity. The correct answer is option C. The next question is, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, objectives of research are stated in the first chapter of the thesis. Option B, researcher must possess analytical ability. Option C, variability is the source of problem. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, the first step of research is option A, selecting a problem, option B, researching a problem, option C, finding a problem, option D, identifying a problem. The correct answer is option D, identifying a problem. The next question is, research can be conducted by a person who, option A, holds a postgraduate degree, option B, has studied research methodology, option C, possesses thinking and reasoning ability, option D, is a hard worker. The correct answer is option B, has studied research methodology. The next question is, research can be classified as option A, basic, applied and action research, option B, philosophical, historical, survey and experimental research, option C, quantitative and qualitative research, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, to test null hypothesis, a researcher uses option A, t-test, option B, ANOVA, option C, X2, option D, factorial analysis. The correct answer is option B, ANOVA. The next question is, bibliography given in research report, option A, shows vast knowledge of the researcher, option B, helps those interested in further research, option C, has no relevance to research, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, helps those interested in further research. The next question is, a research problem is feasible only when option A, it has utility and relevance, Option B, it is researchable. Option C, it is new and adds something to the knowledge. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, the study in which the investigators attempt to trace an effect is known as option A, survey research. Option B, summative research. Option C, historical research. Option D, ex post facto research. The correct answer is option D, ex post facto research. The next question is, fundamental research reflects the ability to option A, synthesize new ideals. Option B, expound new principles. Option C, evaluate the existing material concerning research. Option D, study the existing literature regarding various topics. The correct answer is option B, expound new principles. The next question is, the main characteristic of scientific research is option A, empirical. Option B, theoretical. Option C, experimental. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, authenticity of a research finding is its option A, originality. Option B, validity. Option C, objectivity. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, objectivity. The next question is, which technique is generally followed when the population is finite? Option A, area sampling technique. Option B, purposive sampling technique. Option C, systematic sampling technique. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, systematic sampling technique. The next question is, research problem is selected from the standpoint of option A, researcher's interest. Option B, financial support. Option C, social relevance. Option D, availability of relevant literature. The correct answer is option C, social relevance. The next question is, the research is always option A, verifying the old knowledge. Option B, exploring new knowledge. Option C, filling the gap between knowledge. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. The next question is, research is option A, searching again and again. Option B, finding a solution to any problem. Option C, working in a scientific way to research for the truth of any problem. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, working in a scientific way to research for the truth of any problem. The next question is, a common test in research demands much priority on option A, reliability. Option B, usability. Option C, objectivity. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? Option A, searching sources of information to locate the problem. Option B, survey of related literature. Option C, identification of the problem. Option D, searching for solutions to the problem. The correct answer is option C, identification of the problem. The next question is, which correlation coefficient best explains the relation between creativity and intelligence? Option A 1.0, option B 0.6, option C 0.5, option D 0.3. The correct answer is option A 1.00. The next question is, manipulation is always a part of option A historical research, option B fundamental research, option C descriptive research, option D experimental research. The correct answer is option D experimental research. The next question is, the research which is exploring new facts to the study of the past is called option A philosophical research, option B historical research, option C mythological research, option D content analysis. The correct answer is option B historical research. Next question is, a null hypothesis is option A when there is no difference between the variables, option B the same as research hypothesis, option C subjective in nature, option D when there is difference between the variables. The correct answer is option A when there is no difference between the variables. The next question is, we use factorial analysis in option A to know the relationship between two variables, option B to test the hypothesis, option C to know the difference between two variables, option D to know the difference among the many variables. The correct answer is option D to know the difference among the many variables. The next question is, action research is option A an applied research, option B a research carried out to solve immediate problems, option C a longitudinal research, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B a research carried out to solve immediate problems. The next question is, the basis on which assumptions are formulated. Option A cultural background of the country, option B universalities, option C specific characteristics of the castes, option D all of these. The correct answer is option A cultural background of the country. The next question is, how can the objectivity of the research be enhanced? Option A through its impartiality, option B through its reliability, option C through its validity, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. The next question is, a research problem is not feasible only when option A it is researchable, option B it is new and adds something to the knowledge, option C it consists of independent and dependent variables, option D it has utility and relevance. The correct answer is option C it consists of independent and dependent variables. The next question is, the process not needed in experimental research is option A observation, option B manipulation and replication, option C controlling, option D reference collection. The correct answer is option D reference collection. The next question is, when a research problem is related to heterogeneous population, the most suitable sampling method is option A cluster sampling, stratified sampling, option C convenient sampling, Option D, lottery method. The correct answer is option B, stratified sampling. The next question is, generalized conclusion on the basis of a sample is technically known as option A, data analysis and interpretation, option B, parameter inference, option C, statistical inference, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, statistical inference. The next question is, the experimental study is based on option A, the manipulation of variables, option B, conceptual parameters, option C, replication of research, option D, survey of literature. The correct answer is option A, the manipulation of variables. The next question is, which one is called non-probability sampling? Option A, cluster sampling, option B, quota sampling, option C, systematic sampling, option D, stratified random sampling. The correct answer is option B, quota sampling.